Hey, it's Rachel with WTI, and if you're looking for a way to give your skin a nice glow this winter season, I would highly recommend looking into my favorite highlighter. This is called Mary-Lou Manizer, and I just love this highlighter. It's a nice champagne tone, and I like that it doesn't have glitter in it. So it's not glittery. It will give your skin a nice glow. So it's not too shimmery, but as you can see, it's just gonna give it a really nice glow. See how it catches the light there? This is the best highlighter that I've ever used. I really like it. I'll just put a tiny bit on the top of my cheeks and then on my nose. I'll dust it off and then I'll just kind of blend it in. And you can see the light, it's just catching on that spot I put it on. I also like that this is green packaging and the products in here are very good. They're very clean. They don't have a ton of chemicals. So that is something for me that's a huge plus as well. So if you're looking for a way to give your skin an extra glow this winter, definitely check out my favorite highlighter, Mary-Lou Manizer. I love it.